Hi friends, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, I'm Elaine. I'm 24 years old and I currently live in Seattle. I thought it'd be fun to film what I eat in a week as someone who lives alone, so if you're looking for easy meals that are one person friendly, you're in the right place, so let's get started. Good morning friends. I just woke up and had a morning meeting, so now I'm gonna make some breakfast. And I actually normally do not eat breakfast like ever, but I am trying to eat more breakfast in 2024 because I just feel like it's more fuel for your body to get you through the day. So I'm gonna start off my day with some protein and eat some Greek yogurt. I'm going to start cooking lunch and I'm going to make something really simple today. I'm going to make kimchi udon, and all you have to do is basically slice up kimchi and then stir fry it, add your udon and maybe some protein. And yeah, that's basically it. You're good to go. I'm about to cook dinner. I'll just make a lot of it and then eat it throughout the week, so it's kind of like meal prep. So today's menu is going to be nikujaga, which is this like Japanese beef potato stew. It's really good. It is really easy to make. It has like a soy sauce and mirin base, and I'm just going to make a bunch of it so I can eat it throughout the week.
Details.
Also, sir, I do wear a big leather.
Okay, so they took one of the pillows from our bed and brought
Alright guys, we finished cooking the nikujaga and we're gonna eat it for dinner now, but it's pretty simple, super easy. I'm cooking rice right now too, so once the rice is done, I'm gonna eat it together. And this literally will last you like maybe 4 to 5 meals, so it's pretty good. latest obsession this winter, but it is such an easy dessert to make. It feels healthier because it's fruit, but basically it's just these air fried apples with cinnamon and honey. But I've legit been making this every day after dinner, and I actually look forward to this. It's just that delicious and easy to make, and it's kind of like a healthy version of an apple pie without the crust part. But yeah, I really recommend trying this. It's so easy and it's just so delicious. We are back home from work, but I'm gonna make dinner now, and tonight's menu is gonna be hand rolls. What I like to do is just buy sashimi from H Mart, and it's actually pretty cheap. I feel like I get pretty full off of one of these packs, and it was $8.99. But I love hand rolls. I'm sure you guys can tell from this video, I just love raw fish and sushi, but this is one of the things I like to make, and it's super easy, low effort, and just perfect for people living alone. I'm gonna make that right now. All I have to really do is chop up the avocados and then just plate everything, but that's pretty much it. Okay, I saw on TikTok that you can literally just pop out your seed by going like this, so let's see if this works. Bruh, it's not working. I think the avocado is not ripe enough. Hello guys, it is Friday and I'm actually gonna head out to a cafe soon just to get some work done. I usually like going to cafes on Fridays because I don't have to work in the office and I can just like get work done and be in a productive environment. So we're gonna head out soon, but before that I'm gonna cook a really quick lunch. I'm just gonna make bibimbap, which is basically like this Korean mix bowl where you put like different Korean side dishes on top of rice, and it's really good. I honestly don't have that much in my fridge right now, so it's gonna be very simple, but hopefully it's something you guys could follow along very easily. Bibimbap, and the last step is literally just mixing it with your spoon. Just gonna get in there and mix it all up.